Hi everyone, this is Praktis Sumatif, paper 1, question number 5. And in this question, we see there is a curve, y equals to fx given. And given that the area of region B is 3 times the area of region A. And if we integrate from 0 to B, we got 20. So we have to find the area of region B. So as you can see in this diagram, if we were to integrate directly from 0 to B, fx, we know that anything, the area that is below the x-axis, we will get the negative value. And the area above the x-axis will get the positive value. That is why when we need to find the total area, we have to split 0 to A, integrate this part and then add the modulus, then only we add the integral of the same curve but from A to B. But over here the one given is 0 to B, so if we integrate 0 to B directly without splitting them into two parts, the value that we get will automatically minus each other. Okay, so with that in mind, we let area of A plus the area of B, but because the area of A after the integration without putting the modulus, it will give us a negative value. So we treat area of A as a positive, but due to its position below the x-axis, we put our own negative in front of the area of A. So these two add up will give us 20. And we are given that the area of region of B is 3 times the area of region A. That means area of B equals to 3 times the area of A. We shall replace this in our equation. So every time I see area of B, I replace with 3 times of area of A equals to 20. So we will have negative A plus 3A. So we have positive 2 area of region A equals to 20. Therefore, the area of region A will be 10. And from there, to find the area of region B, we just take 3 times 10. That is 30 square units. That's it. So we found the answer for B.